Hello, peeps. Day 4. Are you excited? Are you enjoying? I'm trying to make these go quick so you can just boop boop, and then at the end we'll have some projects and stuff. Recapping, we have our stamp set, our dies, our lovely paper, and then our bag of gold from yesterday. I did some heavy duty research in that I sat there and I squished this fun bag of gems around and just looked at what was in them and flipped it over and squished them around some more. And yep, I'm pretty sure there's just 2 sizes in there. They're the perfect sizes. These are the big ones. See if it'll be a little easier to see them. Glued down with just a bit of Tombow. There's just 3 of the big ones. And if I hadn't put that yellow behind it, it would look even better. But I just put it on the one I made. But look at those little gems. Beauty. All right. Day 4. I didn't actually look ahead of time. Day 4 is obviously on this page. There's day 4 up there in the corner. And our little X-Acto knife again. We called these Olfa knives when I was a kid. And I'm thinking Olfa maybe was a... Oh, I just pulled it out. Obviously, I've loosened that up. I'm thinking that must have been a brand name or something when I was a kid. Because X-Acto, it seems to be more common. When I call it an Olfa knife, nobody has any idea what I'm talking about. Box cutter, that seems to be the another newer term. Crafting knife would be the Stampin' Up name. Okay, so if you just give them a little, I don't know what's in them. I'm trying not to poke through. Oh, it's not cutting very. It's like some solid cardboard there. There we go. Yeah, if you just get it started, I'm not sure why it's going in instead of out. But yeah, I don't know what's in the squares. Ooh. This is fun. I'm enjoying this. Yeah, you don't want to stab what's in there. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we have a bunch of labels, pre-cut labels with gold. I'm going to use this to begin with, and then I'm going to lift it up closer. Okay, so we got some big sentiment labels. Just a minute. It occurs to me now that I should have done this in blue. So yeah, these ones that go, they kind of coordinate with this little rainbow, I think. But you can put whatever you want on them. But yeah, so white with gold trim, there's a couple that size. We've got a couple that like that. There's 2 of those. There's 1 of those. We've got one that looks like that. It should be showing you better as I go. A couple of these ones. 1 of those. They all have. Oh, look at that funky one. Some circles and some little flags, and then we got a couple that are just gold flags. So look at all those little sentiment labels. Now, I'm gonna guess that, pick your poison, that one of them will fit. This is the biggest of the sentiments. So obviously the bigger, longer ones would be for the big thanks. And then there's definitely some smaller ones that will fit the other ones. So these ones are all designed to go with the stamps in the set, but I'm pretty sure you could use, there's a lot of them that will fit these ones. You could use them for whatever you want. There's quite a few of them in here. I was kind of paying attention, but not really, so I didn't count. But let me just hold those up a little bit closer for a second. Label goodness. There we go. Day 4. See you tomorrow for day 5.